your account balance will increase after doing this recipe. If you have been looking for a way to attract money to yourself, if you have been looking for a way to increase the money in your bank account, this recipe is for you. Okay, I'm going to share with you how you can make that happen, okay, by using some items I'm going to show you in this video. Okay, so make sure that you're going to watch this video to the end so that you know the items and how you can put them together. And if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Gideon. I share spiritual tip here in this channel, and I'm saying a very big welcome to you. Okay, all I want from you is to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up if you like it, and I promise you, you're not going to regret subscribing to this channel. Okay, I often tell people that life is spiritual, and it is spiritual that control the physical. There is a way you can attract money into your bank account. There is a way you can increase the money in your bank account by doing some certain assignments, okay, with the items that I'm going to show you. So what you need to do is to get these items I'm going to show you, okay. And when you are doing this, you need to set your mind, set your intention clear, okay. The amount of money that you want to have in that your bank account, you are going to write it down. So I'm going to teach you how to do it. So the number one thing that you need to get is a miracle leaf. Okay, this leaf is very, very important. You need to have this leaf. Just get 7 pieces of this miracle leaf, 7 pieces of the miracle leaf. Okay, and the next item that you should get is alligator pepper. You need to get 7 seed of the alligator pepper. If you don't know how to open alligator pepper, place it at your back when you buy it. Okay, you can get it from any spiritual shop or any local markets. Okay, buy it and open it from your back, then bring it to your front. That's open it from your behind, bring it to your front, and pick 7 seed. Okay, now after you must have picked the 7 seed of the alligator pepper, get a white piece of paper, write down the amount of money that you want to have in your bank account. Okay, and when doing this, you don't need to be greedy, because a lot of people are greedy when they come to free things. Okay, don't be greedy. Write the amount of money you want to attract into your bank account. Okay, after writing it on a white piece of paper, get a joy soap. Okay, a joy soap. These items, we are going to put them together in a mortar. Okay, put them together in a mortar and pound it. Okay, pound it very well. Okay, put all of them, both the name that both the amount of money that you have written on the white piece of paper, both the 7 leaves of the miracle leaf, both the 7 seed of the alligator pepper, both the joy soap, everything, put them together in a mortar and pound it. Okay, after pounding it, carry it and put inside a container or anything that you know you can put it to be safe. Okay, you are going to be using it to bet yourself for 7 days. Okay, anytime you want to bet yourself, use that mission to bet yourself and command money, command the amount of money that you have written on that white piece of paper to come into your account, to increase your account balance, to grow your money in the bank account. Okay, we are going to say this anytime you are betting yourself. You command money from the east, from the west, from the north, from the south. If you are expecting money from anybody, you can do this assignment. Okay, if you don't have anybody that is helping you financially, if you have not been getting financial assistance from anybody, this recipe is something that you should do. Now you're going to use that mixture to bet yourself 7 good days. Okay, 7 good days. This is 7 days assignment. Okay, you're going to use that mission to bet yourself for good 7 days. Now after that 7 days, start checking your account balance. Okay, after that 7 days, start checking your account balance. Okay, you see that your account balance, money will start coming. Okay, don't bother how that money will come. Don't bother how the money will start coming, but just do it. Okay, like the Bible says that obedience is better than sacrifice. When you obey, is more better than sacrifice. Okay, don't argue, don't think that it cannot be possible. Just do it foolishly, let's say that way. Okay, do it and start watching your account balance. Okay, you see that your account balance will start increasing. This is not magic. You have to set your mind, you have to believe. Okay, if you don't have belief, if you are having doubt in your mind about this related speed, I don't think you need to do it. Okay, because doubt without faith, like the Bible say, it is impossible to see God. So when you want to do this assignment, make sure that you have faith. Make sure that you believe that yes, I will achieve this. Okay, that is the mistake some people do make. When others are doing spiritual recipe with faith, they are doing it with doubt. Let me just see if this is gonna work. No. Okay, do it with faith, and you see that you will receive that money. The universe will give you that money. God Almighty will make that money available for you in your bank account. Have you not heard of people receiving money in your bank accounts from unknown source? That is how it's going to happen. Okay, so make sure that you do this. Use it and bet yourself for good 7 days. Use it and bet yourself for good 7 days, and you see that your account balance will increase. Okay, so that's what I want to share with you guys in today's video. Okay, if you have any question that you want to ask regarding this teaching, if you do not understand it, make sure that you use the comment section. Okay, I'll explain it more better for you, and make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Okay, if you're new, so that anytime I drop a new video, you'll be able to see it and you're going to learn something that will help your life. Okay, and if you want to talk to me directly, if you have any issue that you want to discuss with me, use the number on the screen. That's my WhatsApp number to get directly to me. Okay, so here I'll be wrapping it up in this video today. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.